fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, you don't see where jealousy go make person dey cry. Where shame go dey bring tears come out for person eye. That person right now is Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu don dey cry for only one picture wey May Edochie post. May Edochie posted this today, and Juju Ekwensu is already crying. Let me read who this May Edochie auntie is. The reason why Juju Ekwensu dey cry. So, May Edochie posted this today, and she posted her auntie as a patron to her opening, her launching of her product in Ebonyi State. And this May Edochie is Chief Mrs. Anne Aligwe, Commissioner for Human Capital, Development and Monitoring, Ebonyi State. You get it? If you know, you know. The biggie bong bong on tongue. Juju Ekwensu, this post, they bust her head. She can't believe what she's seeing. Look at May Edochie family members. The same woman that they mock. She and her sister, for where you dey, they go they call May Edochie Abakaleke woman. Juju Ekwensu say she no know say na she be mumu. She say yo na bad person. He said there is no way yo is married to May Edochie. And yo don't know that May Edochie have all these calibers of people around her. She and her sister go they say Abakaleke woman. Even her own mother, Juju Ekwensu own mother, go they call May Edochie Abakaleke woman. Chai, what a shameful family. Una shame the shame person. Your mama they call May Edochie Abakaleke woman for 2026 when life don't open eye. There is no longer villages again. Anywhere you call villages, where car go carry you go come down, you go come trek like 1 hour. Now they call village down. All those things you people, all those things we call village those days, all of them don't open eye. This era of 2026. So you, your mama, your sister, you people were mocking this woman, calling her Abakaleke. Abakaleke don't show character now. Hey, make una hold May Edochie. Make una hold am. The woman never even start to display members of her family. Juju Ekwensu don dey faint. Juju Ekwensu say, chai, instead of far to build her life, she go dey born. She don't call her sister Eze wine. Say Eze wine. Na lost battle with the fight. Eze wine, na lost battle with the fight. Eze wine say, Ogini. He said, you don't see May Edochie sister. She's a commissioner. Hey! May Edochie auntie is a commissioner. Commissioner, all this one, they get power for where police stay. They are the one monitoring Ebonyi State. They work with the police. They can arrest somebody and lock that person up without a court case. Yes. They have the power. May Edochie have the connections. Una they understand where the connections of May Edochie they come from now. Una they understand. But May Edochie decided to play low. Now una go find her trouble. Now una go find her trouble. She for rara launch this thing for Lagos. Just enter us. After all, na there they born and there she grow. She dey go her village, not be say she not dey go. She build house for her village. She would have just launched it in Lagos. We say na there they born her. But no. She have to take it to Ebonyi State. So that those people that are calling her Abakaleke, she want to tell you, yes, I'm a true daughter of the soil. And I'm proud. I am not ashamed to be called an Abakaleke woman. Abakaleke woman don't carry character corner. Juju Ekwensu don dey cry. She don dey cry. She say, look at her life. Now she dey carry belle dey born every year. She dey born every year instead of her to upgrade her life. So this is the woman she is dragging with. Juju Ekwensu say yo, God will punish your head. Now wetin she talk, he say God will punish your head. He say you want to make her a laughing stock. She said thank God say she get mumu fans. So that is what she said. She said thank God she have dumb fans that don't care to go deep into details. Her fans no dey go deep into details. They just come, they just post. She said thank God. He said can you imagine? He said this one now her fans go debunk am. He said can you imagine? These are the calibers of people surrounding me, Edochie. I laugh in Chinese. My lovely fans. Juju Ekwensu dey cry. The woman dey cry hot tears. Tears of shame and disgrace. Tears of jealousy. Me Edochie is not somebody that show herself. She's not somebody that is proud. She don't have the spirit of pride. She's very humble. She tried everything possible. When I mean everything possible, to play low. This is just one of them. By the time she go up to the top ones, Juju Ekwensu, you go buy. You go buy. You go marry those upcoming actress. They call you train the pipi and pupu. You go buy if me Edochie really get your time. You see the reason why she's silent. When you come from a responsible family, you don't disgrace yourself outside. Look at Juju Ekwensu. It tells you the kind of family she come from. A family where your daughter goes scatter person marriage. Mama come or mugo. Come they pray miri. Then they post her for social media. She not even shame. How do you face the women of Umuada? How will you sit down in Umuada meeting and be talking? Umuada where we know say they stand for justice. Now so they go they do notes for you and your pikin. Hey. Your daughter destroyed another woman home like you. You not even pass backyard. You can't sit down for camera. They pray miri. That is her family. Look at the mother. Look at the mother of Juju Ekwensu, dey village. If papa dey village, his sister dey village, they do eze wine. The brother na thief. Ole nie. Thief, the brother dey thief. You know how many times the brother don't go prison? When they use me Edochie money to go bail am. That is Juju Ekwensu family. She's the only one that got married to a name, a popular name called Edochie. Now it make you see say both his papa, both his mama, both his sister, all the family, they are all doing juju to keep you. They are all doing juju. And the best advice the family can give to Juju Ekwensu, they say make she dey born pikin, make they lay egg. Because this one not be born pikin. They say make she dey lay egg every Eke market day. Now that one go hold you for granted. They were fighting over the man. But when a woman knows her value, she knows where she come from. Heartbreak not dey hold them. No wonder they make am for parable say, now broke girl, now they cry for heartbreak. When you get your money, that heartbreak now small it go pain you. Before you know you don't upgrade, you don't forget that man. When I not see the way me Edochie take forget yo. You see Nkolu so they cry. Oh, she's still on yo. Does this woman look like somebody that is still thinking of a man she pick up and clean up? Now me Edochie clean up yo. Yo we never see Lagos for her. Where they no good for them. Me Edochie na clean her up. Juju Ekwensu don weak. Hot tears of shame na come out for her eye. They say Juju Ekwensu say, hey, me Edochie is from a sophisticated family. Correct family. Family with their balance. But he don't pose Juju Ekwensu. He say you lied to her. He say you tell her say me Edochie is nobody. He say you tell her say me Edochie is from a poor family. You lied to her, making her to look like mumu of herself. Wonder shall never end. When I tell una say The connection of the connection is May Edochie. Now she gather am. Una don't dey understand the reason why Yoyo was able to buy ticket and even contest as a governor. As it is now, Yoyo cannot contest to a local government chairman. Where I want for see the connection? Where I want for see the money? Hey, oh Guinea. This family were the one that bought ticket for Yoyo. They bought ticket for him. He called the carriage to Juju Ekwe follow body. Hey, fear men, no. Not all men. Not all men. Fear Yoyo. Be calling their name. Yes. Fear Yoyo. Juju Ekwe is who I don't clear. The woman dey alone. She no want talk. She no want show herself. She no want anybody know about her. She just dey play low key. Una no let her rest. Una no let her rest. Abakeleke. She don't go Abakeleke now. Go open go launch her products. Now una eyes dey clear. When una will come see May Edochie papa house, Juju Ekwe su go kpai o May Edochie abeg no post am. No post am because wetin my eye see, I no fit explain give una. If una come see house, if Juju Ekwe su see the house, hey, Chineke. No wonder Yoyo was saying, please. All those pleasing are the money, oh. Hey, now the money and the connection, now Yoyo they please. Now I make the thing pay Yoyo go reach Shimaro bone. Say May Edochie did not accept him. Una don't they get the point now? Hey, now I make am pay Yoyo. Look at weight when he waka comot. Not be say waka comot, weight where they reject him. They pursue him. Now not see the reason why he's still fighting for property. This is to tell you, say property dey there. Ego bia dey there. No be ego dey ala. Ego bia e dey for there. Juju Ekwe is so weak. You know when you are doing competition with a woman, you dey follow and they drag and the woman remain silent. She not follow you talk. Juju Ekwe is so think say, I'm an actress, I have the connection. Her eyes don't dey clear now say, this woman a no go area. She was just silent and quiet because she know the kind of family she come from. Person wey come from responsible family, not the disgraceful family. Look at Juju Ekwe, local champions. All of them they do juju for one man head wey no fit buy car for una pikin. You no fit buy bicycle for una pikin. Una they do juju. Una just dey rush because the boy, because he's Edochie's son, Pete Edochie's son. Una just dey marry Edochie. Una all of una dey marry the name Edochie. What have you people gained from it? Nothing. Locality. Now I make Mr. Bassey tell you, say, who are you? Nobody's child. When you won't follow people where they don't make up for life, they drag. Mr. Bassey tell you, see your life now. Only one way they post you don't they faint. I bet never buy, oh. Never buy. You need to confess before you buy. Your buy is not our problem. The problem is that you need to confess because your evil and calamity. Even devil they dread you. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.